Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Camry door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Next, make sure you have the exact replacement door handle for your specific Camry model. It's important to have the right part before you begin. Finally, park your vehicle on a flat, safe surface and engage the parking brake for stability. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's tackle the interior door panel. Begin by gently prying up the window switch panel using your trim removal tool, then carefully disconnect the electrical connectors. Next, locate and remove any screws holding the door panel in place. These are often hidden behind small covers or in the armrest. Once the screws are out, use your trim removal tool to release the plastic clips around the perimeter of the door panel, working your way around until it's loose. With the interior panel off, you can now access the door handle mechanism. Carefully disconnect the two cables attached to the back of the old handle, one for the lock and one for the latch. Next, remove the 2 or 3 bolts or screws that secure the exterior door handle assembly to the door frame. Once these are removed, slide the old handle out. Install your new handle by reversing these steps, ensuring all connections are secure. To finish up, carefully reattach the interior door panel, aligning all the clips and pressing firmly until they snap into place. Don't forget to reconnect the window switch wiring harness before securing the switch panel back into its slot. Test the new door handle and window operation to ensure everything works correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, which can bring your space to life, please see the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.